Welcome to Shopware 6 installation tutorial. In this video, we learn how to map Vagrant machine with PHP Storm. First, download and install PHP Storm. Now open the PHP Storm and create a new project locally. Set the location and create it. New project has been created successfully. Now, go to Tools, Development and Configuration. Now we are going to add our new Vagrant machine as a deployment target. Choose a unique name and SFTP as a type, click OK. Now fill the required text fields with the given text. Now select the Mapping tab and map the folder. Click OK. Vagrant machine has been successfully mapped with PHP Storm. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.